what is a successful counseling session? That solves your purpose. Okay, and what is a successful counseling? The counseling that gives you the result. Okay, perfect. So the first counseling skill that we're gonna have is the listening skills, right? Though everybody listen, isn't it? Everybody listen. So what is the difference between the normal listening and this listening? Anybody can share in just 30 seconds their understanding about it. What is the difference? See, first of all, when you are listening actively, you need to attend your client. And what does it mean by attending the client? Making yourself fully available for the client. Okay, your 100% attention is there on your client or the person who is in front of you, and definitely you'll be making the eye contact, your posture, your nodding, right? So this is the attending means you are fully available for the client right now. And one more great thing is, whenever we listen to someone, many times we are preparing to give the answer, or we are preparing to speak further, right? That is not the listening. Whenever you are listening, you do not need to prepare anything in your mind, right? It happens many times with us. Somebody is speaking and you are waiting to stop that person, and you are preparing yourself what kind of question or the answer you're gonna ask after this. So this will not work in this counseling thing, right? So counseling skills gonna help you to build a rapport with your client. What will happen by this rapport? You will be able to gain the trust of the person, right? If you will be able to gain the trust of the person, then you will be able to understand the actual problem, because the client will be comfortable to share it with you. Then only you will be able to solve the problem of that person, right? So listening skill is really, really important. So you need to understand this. Whenever you are listening, you are attending that person 100% with your body language as well, and you are not preparing for your answer or any question, right? The second thing is the verbal listening. In the verbal listening, what we do, we use some sounds like yes, okay, go on, right? We use these sounds. The verbal listen. This is the verbal listening in this, right? And the third thing is paraphrasing. We briefly summarize the content of this discussion. For example, person is saying something, right? He has told you about their behavior. Okay, if somebody says to you that I get to hear so many voices at the night, and I don't know what kind of voices are these. So you can repeat the sentence in a very precise way. Okay, you are saying that you listen the voices at night. The person will say yes, right? So these are the things that we need to do. We need to attend the person. We need to use the verbal listening and paraphrasing. We need to repeat, so that person can confirm, or it is also for you that you are actually understanding the right thing. If you will be paraphrasing and if you'll be understanding it wrong, the client will tell you again that same thing, right? So you should be fully engaged in that.